Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You don't know back in the music club, people. You don't know, you know. Yeah, man, we're there another banger. And yo, just before we jump into it, guys, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all taking care of yourself as always. Like I always ask. I hope y'all drinking your water. Y'all staying prayed up. Y'all staying healthy, man. Y'all know you only got one life to live, so you have to make it more sight. You see me I say? Now, with that being said, guys, yeah, man, today we have a new track from a stranger that's no train to the channel. That's Malie. Yeah, man, today we got Malie and his new video, Snake Eyes. I'm going to check it out and see what I'm going today. Yeah, before we even jump in that track, guys, let's take this time to go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, man. You know, tune into the littest reaction channel on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So let's hit that like and subscribe button and join the family. You don't know where I take over YouTube. You don't know we're taking it straight to the top. You don't know, guys. But yeah, man, Malie drop a new track entitled Snake Eyes. You see me? I'm going to check it out and see what I'm going to. You don't know Malie? Very talented, man. One of the sickest young artists out right now, you know. Big man thing, no joke. The man come like a new level, a new flow, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to check out and see what I'm going to see if he keep up the same expectation, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, because Malie definitely one of the most talented artists out right now. So we just want to make sure, say, yo, everything up, and he doing his thing. So we ain't gonna hold up the track much longer. You see me? We're gonna jump right now. Track. This is Malie, Snake Eyes. Let's get it.
From a freaky girl, I feel my freaky girl.
Snake Eyes. Oh, this nigga funny as hell. Snake Eyes. Nigga said Snake Eye and then he's talking about Freaky Yellow. Come on, do y'all get it? Snake Eye? That's hilarious.
Shut up. Gunman, we bring a rifle on a scope. Lick a gallow, you're so fucking talented with your throat. Try sweat to you lick a pussy soak. And you still a push it down and when your sister you a choke.
For real, man. You're so talented with your throat, man. Sometimes if you ask him a question, you know. For real, man, where you get the talent from, bro? I know, hey, sometimes you don't ask question, you don't want to know the answer to still, no. So I'm not thinking to ask the question.
Me make your pussy river flow, kitty fat up, me no know how you fit in your clothes. Me rob your clit, your thing a rose, me no fuck you to no souls. Yeah.
I think with Malie, you know, you have some bad girl in the video, you know. You see me? Me nah lie, man.
Bad bitch, she says she love a long day.
Easy no mama. Yeah, man. We like those.
You're so cute and attractive. Snake eye on your tongue, smiley under your top lip.
That's what I'm talking about. Talk about snake eye on tongue. Hey, that's what I'm about. So freaking girl out. You see me? You will do the things, yeah.
Bad bitch. Fling up your pussy, not me slam this. Can you just remove your tongue quick? No need for get angry. Upon your pretty little jammy, I box this. No, me no joke a lot. Come spot by your face, me call it poker that.
Easy no one.
Blocking on your face like a dry coconut. Take out the long cocky, open up your
Yo, dog, off this nigga and these face lines, bro. This nigga face lines be killing me. Yo.
For that, you say me broke your heart, that you call mocha for. She like to pop pills, me like smoke a lot.
Say me broke your heart, that you call mocha for. Easy no? Call police from the eye, man. Easy no, man.
Bad black gal, but I know Prada.
Oh, because dog scammer. Okay. You broke her heart, so she call mocha and scammer. Alright, say like
a bad bitch. She says she love a long day. Yeah, she love a long day. Oh, you're so cute and attractive. Snake.
Hey.
Type on your tongue, smiley under your top lip. A bad bitch.
Easy, you know. How you going to that video? I know your video and I dog video. Easy, you know.
Fling up your
take it over, man.
You see not me slam this. Can you just remove your tongue quick? No need for
man, remove that quick, man. We ain't long talking. No waste time, man. Come in, man.
Get angry. Upon your pretty little jammy, I box this. Gunman, we bring a rifle on a scope. Lick a gallow, you're so fucking talented with your throat.
How?
I sweat to you lick a pussy soak. Can you still a push it down and when your sister you a joke?
When I'm dead, Yeah, water run from them. Yeah, nose. Them.
Make your pussy river flow, kitty fat up. Me no know how you fit in your clothes. Me rub your pick your thing on rose. Me no fuck you to no souls. Yeah, my bad bitch. She says she love a long dick.
What she says she love? Hey.
Oh, you're so cute and attractive. Snake type on your tongue, smiley under your top lip. My bad.
This of y'all, I'm a freaky girl, them big man thing. We love y'all. You know what I'm saying? All the freaky girl them and all the good girl them. I wrote the freaking and the shit. It's our phone, son.
Bitch, fling up your pussy, make me slam this. Can you just remove your tongue quick? No need to get angry. Upon your pretty little jammy, I box this.
Sit on a ground flat.
Say she love a long
Yeah, man, that one mad. Malie, snake eyes. Yeah, man. Dog did that. He did that. That's for the girl them. You see me? No girls gonna go love that one day. Yeah, man. And dog, the hug that have to play on the day, they will go and drink and play and tune and that have to go on my girl playlist, man. Yeah, man. That's your word. I'm trying to help y'all out. But anyway, tell me one thing about the one the people. You don't know. Yeah, man. Malie did this thing again. Snake eyes, not a bad tune, a girl tune. You don't know. Yeah, man. Dog keeping it coming. Come like Malie. I like a new level, that. I don't know what, you know what I'm saying? But dog, I don't think just keep it up, you. Yeah, man, people, I know nothing about it one day. Let me know if you want to see more from Malie and what other videos to react to, and I'll definitely get it done. You don't know what time it is. We're going strong over here, people, so I appreciate the love and support. I want to take this thing straight to the top, you see me? We're not going to stop us, you see me? Remember, 10K goal for the year. You know what I'm saying? 10K goal for the year, man. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe button. Join the littest family. Do yourself a favor. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.